Personal transportation can feel like a huge privilege if you live in a large metropolitan city. Even though we see advancements in technology across a wide range of vehicles every day, there are some that particularly stand out, and we are here to show you those. There are electric bikes that are 3D printed for your specific needs. And then there are electric skateboards that'll make you want to get up and start riding immediately. Regardless of your age or profession, there's a vehicle for pretty much everyone out there. Here are the 12 newest personal transportation vehicles you just have to see. Let's check them out. Number 12. IEV-X. The future of electric vehicles is as intelligent as it gets, and the EIV is a solid example. The manufacturers developed this incredible vehicle after years of research on the most ideal and sustainable solution to urban transportation. It not only saves the environment and the space around it, but is also super comfortable and safe in its usage. This vehicle is entirely electric and can change in size based on one's needs. Transportation doesn't get more convenient than that. The vehicle comes with a robotic charging system that allows automated charging of energy storage. It does so by developing a connection between the IEV and the IEV charging station. It's the kind of vehicle we love to see more of in the future. Number 11. SEGWAY Mini Pro. This might look like a hoverboard at first, but the SEGWAY Mini Pro is so much more than that. It's pretty much the next step in the evolution of personal transportation. It's like an upgraded hoverboard powered by NINEBOT technology. The vehicle features a hands-free, two-wheel electric scooter with safer features, higher speeds, and longer battery life. The way this hoverboard is designed ensures that you get to travel a wide range of terrains. You can go wherever you want, anytime you like. What's more, the Mini Pro boasts a top speed of 10 miles per hour, a battery that lasts over 14 miles, and 800-watt high-performance engines. That tells you everything you need to know about the vehicle's efficiency. Number 10. Track One e-board. Here's what the world's most functionally capable and cool-looking e-board looks like. The Track One can ride snow, sand, dirt, and regular streets, making it one of the most efficient means of personal transportation you could get your hands on. It was designed with the intention to provide its users the freedom to ride different kinds of terrain. It's a super compact off-road vehicle that can easily fit in the back seat of a car. But don't let that size fool you. The Track One is powerful enough to shred up the steepest of hills. The Track Drive is truly one of its kind, allowing you to go where no board has gone before. It's only fair to compare this kind of all-season, all-terrain vehicle to a personal ATV. Number 9. LAZARETH AMPHIBIE. When it comes to amphibious vehicles, the LAZARETH AMPHIBIE is one that stands out from its competitors like no other. It's essentially a beach car with a 400cc Euro 4 engine, with the ability to reach a top speed of 49.7 miles per hour on dry land. Also, the vehicle compiles with the beach gear navigation category, which means you won't be wrong in calling it a boat tender either. Its 4 off-road wheels and aluminum body combine to make sure every rider gets to enjoy unmatched agility. And we're talking about all terrains included. LAZARETH AMPHIBIE can go from the road to the sea in just a few seconds, with its 1000-watt electric propeller providing propulsion and allowing the car to travel across water at a top speed of 2.4 miles per hour. Number 8. SUPERSTRATA bike. A bike that's 3D printed for a frame to fit yours is guaranteed to live up to all your expectations and personal requirements. It's no surprise the SUPERSTRATA bike works so well. It's the world's first true unibody carbon fiber bicycle after all. It comes in different modes for further specifications. In fact, the SUPERSTRATA E version even provides power-assisted propulsion, making it an all-electric ride worth remembering. What's more, the carbon fiber wheels of the bike are also 3D printed to complement your favorite version. It's one of the coolest modes of personal transportation that will have people turning around for a second look. Number 7. URMO. You know a vehicle is worth the hype when it has been created by ex-Tesla and ex-BMW engineers. That's where URMO gets the attention. This ultra-light foldable urban electric vehicle that features a patent-pending folding mechanism will undoubtedly give you everything you look for in personal transportation. It's essentially an electric self-balancing scooter with a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a 13-mile range. What's more, the vehicle can be fully charged within 2 hours max. It'll hardly take 2 seconds for you to fold URMO and carry it elsewhere, making it the definition of portability. Number 6. WHEELMAN. Constructed using strong and reliable aluminum, WHEELMAN is a gas skateboard that takes the idea of skateboarding to a whole new level. It's perfect for riders age 16 and above, with a total weight capacity of 250 pounds. WHEELMAN features a 50cc two-stroke engine that uses a mix of gas and oil to operate. It's a center-mounted engine and frame vehicle supported at each end by a spokeless wheel, which is where your feet comfortably fit while standing upright. If you have experience with riding skate, snow, or surfboards, you'll pick up the mechanisms of the WHEELMAN very effortlessly. Number 5. Electric Wheelchair. Over the decades, we've seen the health service sector continuously try to improve the service provided to the aging population, accident victims, or any other kind of people in need of mobility assistance. The robotic wheelchair is where that service really shines. It's essentially a blend of intelligent robotics technology and electric wheelchair. It uses sensors and an artificial intelligence to not only navigate, but also detect obstacles and move accordingly. This is the kind of technology that can genuinely revolutionize personal transportation and make it a whole lot more inclusive. Number 4. City Transformer. Large metropolitan cities can be fun and productive to live in, but the transportation there is a huge problem. That's where vehicles like the City Transformer really get the job done. They aim to make cities more resilient, comfortable, and sustainable in the long run by developing urban mobility solutions like we're not used to seeing. City Transformer smartly transforms its width and riding behavior to meet complex and specific challenges faced by the rider. It's electrified, foldable, and mobile, which means portability was obviously a major concern for the manufacturers. This vehicle has been engineered from scratch to ensure a superior city riding experience with minimal compromise. Number 3. NINEBOT Go-Kart. Who said go-karting was for kids only? Now that you can also experience the game with power oversteer drifting, a ride that'll be fun for people of all ages without limitation. The Go-Kart Pro pushes the boundaries of performance and refinement to new heights. Its high-end brushless motor isn't equipped with a Hall sensor, but features a pure copper coil, low internal resistance, and low heat and electricity loss, boosting the vehicle's cruising range. What's more, the Go-Kart Pro also has a detachable self-balancing transporter, a top speed of 23 miles per hour, 96 Nm ideal torque, a mile range of 15.5, and a maximum acceleration of 1.02 G. There's no denying that riders will be guaranteed a highly memorable and entertaining drifting experience with its cutting-edge TPE rear tires. Number 2. ONEWHEEL. This one just might be the most fun toy you'll ever own. Have a look at ONEWHEEL, an incredibly cool digital skateboard that will redefine what personal mobility looks like for you. The vehicle's single wheel contains a brushless electric motor that spins to propel riders forward or backward. It might look risky to ride, but the board actually makes thousands of micro adjustments per second that ensure the safety and complete balance of the user. Another reason why ONEWHEEL is fun and so popular among young people is that riders can also choose to use an app that displays battery charge and miles traveled. It even regulates different modes for the rider according to their preference. By using the app, riders can make other modifications and control board functions to personalize how the board responds to their riding cycle. Number 1. JYROBALL. If you're looking for the most fun way to get from one place to another without compromising on efficiency, the JYROBALL is for you. It's a 500-watt self-balancing electric ride that is a remarkably unique design. It's what the pinnacle of self-balancing mobility looks like. The JYROBALL is highly maneuverable, compact, convenient, and fast. That means most people can use it in their daily lives without hesitation. It takes a while to get used to though, because it's undoubtedly not the kind of transportation we see too often. But once you get the hang of it, JYROBALL can be surprisingly fun and useful for a wide range of purposes. Alright, comment down below which of these vehicles blew your mind the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.